Presenting the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra that comes with a 108 megapixel camera with space zoom that lets you get close up to your subject. The phone is available in cosmic grey and black color variants. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra comes with 12 GB RAM for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. It also comes with 128 GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 1 TB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The phone has an immersive 6.9-inch QHD+ AMOLED Infinity O display that extends from edge to edge to provide a smooth viewing experience. For impact protection, the display features Corning Gorilla Glass 6. It also comes with face unlock and fingerprint sensor that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. The phone has quad rear camera with LED flash. It features a 108 megapixel high-resolution camera with 10x hybrid optic zoom and up to 100x super resolution zoom to get clear pictures even from a distance. With larger image sensors and AI, the phone lets you click bright pictures even at night. The phone records video at 8K resolution. It also comes with a 40 megapixel front camera. The phone runs on Android operating system. The Exynos 990 octa-core processor provides for smooth multitasking and high-end gaming. The phone is powered by 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The box includes handset with non-removable battery included, earphones, travel adapter, USB cable and user manual. The product comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.